What's happening? I'm Adrian and this is What the Pun. Another very small problem I have at the moment, and that is with the Golf R. Nothing major, I promise, but a bit weird. My cigarette lighter decided not to work all of a sudden. I'm trying to charge my iPhone and nothing. I thought it was a bit weird because driving, start my journey, plug the phone in, start driving, reach my destination, I'm like, huh? Phone's not charged. So tried it with different iPhone lightning cables, and it looks like it's the actual cigarette lighter unit that's not working. I tried different, USB cigarette lighter charging plugs in the socket and nothing. So I suspect something's not quite right. So let me show you actually what's going on and let's go through what I did to resolve it. This is awkward. Nothing at all. Okay, so that's where we are at the moment. Literally no signs of life at all. Plug it in, nothing. And I suspect I know why this has happened. And the main cause of the problem is going to be me. I think it happened when basically I placed my keys there and keys fell where the cigarette lighter was meant to go, and I think because the metal key made contact with certain points there and boom, I think that's and then fuse blown, blah blah blah. I think that's what happened. So what I'm going to do, first thing we need to do in this situation is check the fuse box and look for the responsible fuse for the cigarette lighter. So let's have a look. Driver's side door open and it's this bit here. So pop this in and it should be as simple as that. So once your cover is removed, you will have access to this. This is where all your fuses go, all responsible for different things. And the one we're looking for is solely responsible for my cigarette lighter. So at the moment it's a bit confusing because there's so many, but luckily for us there is such a thing as Google and we can find a fuse map. And I believe from the internet, fuse number 42, which is this one here, should be responsible for the cigarette lighter. So I'll get that removed and I'll show you if it's basically blown or not. So on the back of your compartment cover, you should have this little fuse grabby claw thing which helps you pull the fuse out. So let's get this one removed, which is number 42. Easy. Here it is. So this is what a bad fuse looks like. So you see there's a gap in the middle, that shouldn't be there. This is definitely bad. So you see there's a number on the top here, even like the fuse map and chart I will share online. I'll also drop it in the link in the comment box as well. That would also tell you what each fuse is responsible for as well as the correct amperage. So you see here this says 20, so I need to find a fuse of the same rating for this as well. So let me grab that and put a new one in. So here's my new one. You can see there's a clear difference in the middle there. It all joins up, but that's what it should look like. And also this is of the same rating as well. So just put that in and give it a test. So do make sure you remember where it all goes. If you forget, the chart will tell you which one is which, basically, so you don't put it in the wrong hole. But you notice that in your fuse box they are all individually numbered as well once when the fuse is removed. So let me just pop this in and let's give this a test. Okay, so moment of truth, this is all plugged in. Let's test the fuse out. Yeah, straight away. So you can see phone's charging. Also, this USB charger I'm using is also used for Bluetooth between the phones, so I can share the music to the stereo, which I don't use anymore because I have Apple CarPlay. But you can see it's all live, sorted, nice and easy. Boom, easy. Hope you found the video useful, and luckily it was a cheap fix, nothing major, like I said, I promised. And you know, for those of you that found the video useful, please make sure you are subscribed and also have that notification bell clicked on as well. So that's it for this week. Take care, I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.